had informed them not to install this divider when they were installing it, because it will cause unnecessary traffic jam and all, because ambulances pass beside everything. So if there is even one vehicle stop, now say the vehicle stopped over here, because big vehicle wants to pass, there is not enough space. So the entire stretch gets blocked. The road has become narrow and there is no view. Now even there is a lane which you can take left here constantly, you can go left. But because the divider, no vehicle can make way for the behind vehicles to constantly move towards the left and go down to the market road. There was no requirement. There was no accident. I am living here for so many years. I never saw major accidents or anything take place. I saw that made it compulsory to install it. And traffic jam was more, there was no traffic jam and stuff. So I am not sure. We asked them, they are saying no, vehicles come more on this side and all. And that is the reason they are putting a divider. And they are planning to put it up till the junction there. That would have been terrible. Should actually, and this stretch should actually not be there, because vehicles can move more freely out of the court and go down. Here others have to make sure that there is enough space for them to cross and go that way.